She'll. I bet she's one of those people that stands in the spots and holds it for someone.
Oh, poor baby. I don't want to park next to him.
It's when you'd play a game with a bunch of little kids and one of the kids had to make up rules, but it's like a whole rule book's worth of rules.
Whoa! Whoa! Whoa!
Why did that guy go?
What should we
I think
do?
we can pull over there.
Okay. Let's see. Should we?
Okay, Garmin. Save video. And another one. And another one. Not the same.
Save your dash cam footage. Save your dash cam footage right now.
I don't know how. Okay.
On your phone.
again and your life will be done. I'm saying it twice, you rolling the dice. Try to your head like the boy got some lice. Might sound crazy, I think that's the Hennessy talking. I ain't starting that shit, I'm in that shit. Break it on next when I walk in. Told her, listen up, I only say it once. Say it again and your life will be done. I'm saying it twice, you rolling the dice.
There you go.
Get the out of the way!
Just 2 days since the mainframe went down and I'm still messed up.
Good golly.
People with their blinkers on and nobody coming down your lane.
Whoa!
What's that?
Help as many people get home as possible. Which way, Western man? You could be the loser incel that wants to take human life for seemingly no reason, other than you were too much of a coward to take accountants over your own life. Or you can be the kind of man that actually steps up and protects not only himself, not only his loved ones, but countless others. And this is one thing I really did want to hit on.
Yeah, that looks like the bike.
What are you doing? What the hell? What are you doing? Oh my god. What?
Nominated for an Oscar. It's a gauntlet of devotion that you have to do, and you know, it's just all over the whole thing.
What did you think as you watched it unfold, and then what happened after?
I was sickened. I was sickened by the standing ovation.
Minor way on January 6th, the Biden FBI might have been able to find. But did they want to? I know that is the other question. Interesting finding this person is the term.
If you enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe, and share it so that more people discover